So as you guys can see, those are some cop lights. He's wearing his hoodie. Hey, cop, what the? 1, 2, 3, 4 cop cars. That side of the back building, for some reason they closed it with the ribbon thing. Man cop and a woman cop walking around looking with the flashlight on. They're just like looking around for something.
हेलो गाइस, सो आज एक्चुअली मेरे फ्रेंड का एक्सीडेंट हो गया था, तो अभी इंश्योरेंस वालों ने
एक्सीडेंट हैपेंड लाइक अ मंथ अगो, ऐसे बोला
तो उसको इंश्योरेंस वालों ने नई गाड़ी रेंटल के लिए देनी है फॉर 1 मंथ। जब उसका वो पैसे का कुछ हो जाएगा तो देन वो वापस कर देगा, बट अभी उसको गाड़ी मिलने जा रही है। देखते हैं कौन सी गाड़ी मिलती है, आपको दिखाएंगे। वो खड़ा गुरविंदर की गड्डी आ गई, इंस्पेक्शन हो रही है गड्डी की।
Guys, this is the nice car he got for rental for 1 month. It's pretty nice. I wish actually that I could have this car. Let's try this to enter. You like the pink sweater? I know the color. But almost 20, maybe that's about 15 or 20 also. Oh, it's that. Cream with the black jacket. What about that one, the pink one?
Pink one is
No, this black one with the pink vest. Yeah. It's nice, no? It's nice, no?
सेम प्राइस है, इंडिया में भी इतने का ही मिलता है।
I like this. I like these shades.
ये भी अच्छा है यार।
मेरा size नहीं है।
Why?
I don't know. Online, I saw online.
बच्चों के सेक्शन में भी मिलेगा तेरा?
No. This is. Why? It's a nice sweater, no?
हाँ, ब्लैक को ले लेना। फिर मेरे साथ ब्लैक तो है मेरे पास जैकेट वो।
Huh? La la la. You know what you're liking? You like the creamy color set. मैं ये notice कर रही हूँ.
Nice.
It's too motu. नहीं? तेरे पे?
तेरे पे।
मैं
सोनी तेरे पे लगा रहा हूँ। अच्छा लगा तेरे पे। थोड़ा सा छोटा साइज लेना पड़ेगा। छोटा साइज लेना है। वो बहुत अच्छा लगा। कौन सा साइज है ये?
C'è base questo excuse.
I like this type of thing. तू इससे नीचे कुछ डाल सकती है, जैसे तो वो लिए ना जैकेट तूने, अच्छा होता है, कंफर्टेबल है। इसके नीचे ना वो पैन क्रीम कलर। Nice.
You have brown.
तेरे में भेजी हुई फोटो पोस्ट एक पोस्ट कनाडा दी है, दूसरी में लगा इंश्योरेंस दी है।
Brown या black?
40 का है।
40.
सही है।
That's nice. Try to take a white fleece.
ये ना आते तेरा।
Like it?
कोई बात नहीं, हम पहुंच जाते हैं। कानून के हाथ लंबे होते हैं।
और line देख।
स्टक हो गई है। सही लग रहा है, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। लाइटिंग लाइटिंग सब कुछ ठीक है। जरा बोल
कितने मेरा
यहीं पे पड़ा होगा कहीं पे।
Harry Potter vibes. It's nice. I bet you it is $40. 34. So we're here. Arden, my friend, is gonna buy some shoes for me because my shoes are dirty. This is nice, chunky. Or what about that one, the white one with the chain? Where I just take off the chain.
ये भी अच्छा है। Yeah, ये भी अच्छा है। ये अच्छा है।
Oh, 7's gonna be too small. Get the 8 in the back. Thank you so much.
अच्छे लग रहे हैं सारे।
This one? Keep this one. This is the other shoe that we found. This one is nice too, huh?
Yeah, ये ले ले।
Yeah.
ये वाले थे, ये वाले थे। ले 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 उठा ले। उठा ले।
Very good.
चक लो। This is me before coming to Canada, and this is after.
Like your skin. Why are you making this funny joke?
Yeah, ये सच बात है।
The video was so nice. So we picked up my white shoes. Here's classic. This is a good purse, guys. If you want to show what you're carrying, like $1,000 cash. If you guys like my friend's sweater, he got this sweater from Punjab.
Punjab. Not Punjab, Punjab.
No, Punjab.
Punjab पता क्यों दिया चांद?
हाँ वो पंजेबा. Huh?
मेरे पास 1600 बात है। ये 13 का है।
$7. JK World. When you sit in the bathtub, like pani buddy, you throw this in the pani and it dissolve ho jata hai. Get it? Like all the colors spread in. It's like a gel purse. Stop focusing on this camera.
कौन सी शूज अच्छे ज़्यादा लगते हैं?
Me? Look at that. Look at that one.
ये डोबली मशीन नहीं है?
ये ऑटो वाला है.
आटा वाला है ना?
We are in Stokes, guys. इसमें ऑटो. Look at that. No.
अभी बिके ना।
तू बता गैम्बलर है. Hey, okay, this is a thing that they made. इसके साथ drinks भी pay सकते हो. You understand? This is for the alcoholic people, guys. But you can do like, you know, juice or something like for fun. Oh, look at these pretty cups in different colors. It's instead of 60, it's on special.
ये सिर्फ 120 में मिल रहा है।
Oh, special. Yes, special.
स्पेशल पे लगा हुआ है।
Yeah,
इतना सस्ता क्यों बिकने लगा इनका?
देखिए.
ये कैसे चलाते हैं?
इसमें bread रखते हैं. Okay, when it's plugged, you have different stuff. You can choose the heating level. इसमें रख दो and pop हो जाएगा like 20-30 seconds में toast you. It's going. Yeah, that one looks bigger.
120 का तो बहुत अच्छा है ये।
Yeah. Remember we saw the store in the.
कभी ध्यान नहीं दिया ना यार।
No. Yeah, look at that one. It's like the rose one is $250. Different prices. This is the Fido store, guys. iPhone 16 promos. Oh yeah, in the small guys, they have this store that they give these little animal roller thingies like you can ride. A lot of kids, they run around the mall, different animals, and they just ride around and have fun in the mall. That thing, you see that?
वो लगा देते हैं।
Yeah.
CD.
Yeah. Lord of the Rings card scramble. That's cool. Beetlejuice. Pineapple. Coconut.
जाना पड़ेगा जिम 2-3 दिन तो जाया करूँ जिम ना। मैं ऐसे नहीं कर रहा था, पुलिस की गड्डी आई, मैंने कर दिया टर्न।
Guys, today we'll be
गाइस आज हमारे साथ एक बहुत फनी स्टोरी हुई है। एक्चुअली आपको ब्लॉग में दिख जाएगा। मेरी फ्रेंड जैकेट ट्राई कर रही थी और मैंने इसका पर्स होल्ड करके रखा हुआ था और पता नहीं बाय चांस क्या
Were
हुआ।
you holding it? He was not flip it. He was not holding it.
एक्चुअली वो मैंने रखा हुआ था, पहले पकड़ के रखा हुआ था, फिर पता नहीं कोई मैं जैकेट निकाल रहा था और मैंने ना उसको हैंग कर दिया वहाँ पे जैकेट्स के बीच ना मैंने उसको हैंग कर दिया।
Under your jacket.
Yeah.
He put
No,
hang my purse
it's
on.
not in under jacket.
No.
उसके बीच में उसके बीच में कर दिया था मैंने। तो मैं भूल गया, मैं थोड़ा सा आगे चले गए। ये ड्रेस देख रही थी मिरर में, तो वहाँ पे जाके देखा।
Not a dress, a jacket.
या जो भी है जैकेट देख रही थी।
Dress देख रही थी.
हाँ, तो फिर वो हो गया, हम लोग कोई उठा
No,
के ले
then I
गया।
turned around. I was like, where's my purse? And then he panicked. And then he was looking around like it was just here. I just placed it on this rack, and it was a small little corner. And there was nobody else around. There was these 2 Indian girls in the corner trying their stuff, but we know there was nobody in that corner. I saw this one black lady in African dress. She walked by with her daughter, who was wearing a hijab and all. So it was just them 2 who walked by, and then they disappeared. And then we couldn't find my purse in that corner anywhere. Then we told the workers. We
वो
said
थोड़ी सी सिचुएशन हो गई थी, भाई क्या हो गया।
I was worried because my wallet was in the purse, okay, which had cards and driving license and all. He knew I was ready to kill him because
इसने मेरा weekend
because
खराब कर देना
every
था मेरा।
every time I was trying on a jacket, I kept telling him, check my purse, and then he just he's too ashamed to hold my purse on his shoulder because
No.
it's a girly thing.
No.
But now he knows to always wear it around his neck.
नो मैंने होल्ड करके रखा हुआ था, वो मैं जैकेट को ही ढूंढ रहा था इसके लिए, तो इसीलिए मैंने वहाँ पे कर दिया था 1 मिनट के लिए और मैं बाद में भूल गया। फनी थिंग क्या हुई, बाद में मैंने वो बोल दिया वहाँ पे जो लेडीज काम कर रही थी उनको बोलना है चेक। वो ऐसे है भाई, उनका सिस्टम बहुत खराब है।
Oh yeah, they have 6-7 cameras.
Yeah.
But they said on the weekend their cameras don't work. Something
Don't
dumb.
work
I said
or-
this is stupid.
Yeah.
The girl was laughing. She was like,
Laughing.
"Yeah, I know."
Yeah. Then I told them I will call the police and
He was ready
they
to
will
call the
check the
police.
cam.
He remembered the last jacket I tried.
Yeah.
He was asking me where did I pick that from.
Yeah.
So then he went to go check that rack, and he found it hanging under. And then I was talking to the girl at the cashier, and then he looked at me all like, and then
Okay.
he looked at me, and then I looked at the girl. I was like, oh, you found the purse.
Yeah.
it was under the jacket hide.
बाद में मिल गया, थैंक गॉड मिल गया, नहीं तो आज खत्म।
Almost for like 10 minutes we were like, oh, what's happening?
10 मिनट तो हुआ था
Yeah.
वो। मेरे धड़कन तेज हो गई थी, इसने भाई मेरा मार देना था गाड़ी सारा।
Yes.
खत्म होना था मैंने आज।
My wallet. Remember the लड़की को बोलता, my wallet's in there. I can't go to work without my wallet, my license. They're like,
It's okay, but हो गया, थोड़ा सा हो जाता है।
yes, God saved me.
हो जाता है, फनी थिंग्स होती रहते हैं गाइस हमारे साथ।
And then I told the worker, I was like, can you go check that African lady under her jacket? Maybe she's hiding my purse.
मैं भी देख रहा था उसको कैश पे।
It was suspicious because they walked by and disappeared.
Yeah.
Of course, we're gonna have doubts and blame whoever's near. Like it's a natural.
Yeah, it's okay.
You got everything.
Yeah, God saves us.
God saved us. God saved him.